everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to show you a review of a Chanel bag I got from Coee Bags, and I am using it for my birthday because today is my birthday, January the 16th. So I ordered it a while back, ordered it for my birthday, and then I got sick, so I didn't get to do the review before. So I'm on to share with you the review today. So let me show you how the bag came and all that good stuff. Okay, so this is the box that the bag came in. Okay, inside the box, you have a Chanel bag in case you'd like to gift it to someone. And then we have these papers telling you about your bag. And here is the first packaging that the bag comes in. And then it comes in this dust bag here. And let's open it some more. Comes again in some more plastic. And then we are just going to open it up to take out all the stuff that it comes wrapped with. The packaging is well detailed. Okay, so has nice gold hardware here. So I'm going to take off everything and come back to you with the bag. Okay, here's the bag here with everything off. And it has a long strap. Yeah, it's a long strap. I think it's shoulder length. It doesn't look crossbody. And then here's the front, here's the back. A nice little pocket at the back. And it has 3 sections, as you can see. Let's open up the hardware to see inside. And here is the inside. And it has, look like a little lipstick holder there. And the next compartment. And a third compartment. 3 sections, and this side has a little zipper. Oh, there's some more papers with your bag inside there. Yeah, there's lots of room inside. Looks nice. And the champagne color hardware. It looks gold, but they said it's champagne. I like how it looks. And here's how it looks on my shoulder. At one side, like I told you, it's not crossbody. Unless you like a short crossbody, then I guess you could wear it. But I like my crossbody a little length added to it, so I wouldn't wear it as a crossbody. And here it is on the other side. And here it is in my hand. And here's with the other side. I think it looks really cute and dainty. A nice little bag to carry. I love how it looks. So here is the bag once again. Look at that. And I love the stripes that come in the bag. And it has the gold hardware, like I showed you before. Isn't that nice? I love the detail that's on the bag. And it has 3 sections. And there's this pocket at the back for extra little storage. And then you just turn the knob. And like I showed you before, this is the inside. And I'm not sure if I showed you this, but it has the C print on the inside. Can you guys see that? And then the different compartments inside of the bag. I love it. I love that it's like a deep burgundy color inside. I like that. It's a very nice bag. And it has the strap that you can wear it over your shoulder. It's not long for a crossbody. It's not that big. It's not big enough for a crossbody bag, but it is a shoulder length bag. And I think you can put the straps in more. Pull them in, tuck them inside the bag, close your bag, and then you have the 2 small straps. I'll be carrying mine like this. I love carrying my bag in my hand. So there we go, my birthday bag. So I will leave a link below to Coee Bags down below so you guys can click it on, and I have a discount code down there for you guys too, so you can get some change off if you decide to get one from yourself. And it is an absolutely lovely and unique looking bag. I absolutely love it. And like I said, today's my birthday. Let me share with you my balloons. That's what's been here at the side. Let me show you how they look. Let me see that. Today's your girl's birthday, January the 16th. So I just wanted to share that with you and share my bag. My birthday bag from Coee Bags. And like I said before, the link will be down below. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you. And stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.